Hello, this is my first YouTube video. I hope you enjoy. We gonna talk about Bitcoin in that video on my channel. We will upload and talk about a lot of things. Have a great time and thank you. Bitcoin is the world's first digital peer-to-peer currency, created in 2009. It is completely decentralized, meaning that it isn't controlled by any single entity or government. Transactions are recorded on a public ledger, known as the blockchain, and are verified by miners. Bitcoin is a revolutionary form of digital money, built on a trustless system, allowing users to transact without third-party intermediaries or government interference. Through its decentralized technology and global reach, Bitcoin offers an efficient alternative to traditional banking and payment methods. Additionally, it promises to empower individuals and enhance financial freedom, as well as reduce costs, eliminate censorship, and improve the safety of transactions. Part 1. History. Bitcoin was created by the mysterious and pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. It is believed to be the first digital currency to use a decentralized ledger system, known as the blockchain, to record and verify transactions. This revolutionary form of digital money was built on a trustless peer-to-peer system that allows users to send and receive payments without needing to rely on third parties or government interference. Bitcoin was released as open-source software so that anyone could download and run it on their computers, as well as make improvements to the protocols. Over the years, Bitcoin has gone through numerous upgrades and iterations, with its strong community of developers and users helping to ensure its success and long-term viability. Since its launch in 2009, Bitcoin has gone through numerous technological upgrades, making it faster and more secure than ever before. Most significantly, it has seen an increase in transactions per second, (TPS), from 7 TPS to more than 100 TPS. Additionally, the underlying protocol has been optimized for scalability and flexibility, allowing for innovations such as Lightning Network and Segregated Witness, (SegWit). Through its active community of developers and users, Bitcoin has also seen a rise in its adoption, with more and more people using it as a store of value, payment system, and investment vehicle. Part 2. Technology. Bitcoin utilizes a variety of technologies and protocols to operate, including decentralized ledgers, peer-to-peer networks, cryptography, and consensus mechanisms. The most important technology is the blockchain, which is a distributed, shared public ledger that records and verifies Bitcoin transactions. The blockchain uses consensus mechanisms such as proof of work, (POW), and proof of stake, (POS), to ensure that all nodes in the network agree on the state of the ledger. Additionally, Bitcoin also utilizes cryptographic algorithms and digital signatures to provide a secure layer of protection for users' funds and data. Despite the complexity of Bitcoin's underlying technologies, its user-friendly interface makes it easier than ever for anyone to use and benefit from. Proof of work, (POW), is a consensus mechanism used by Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to secure the network and verify transactions. Through the process of mining, network participants compete to solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. This process ensures that the network remains distributed and secure and that transactions are valid and verified. POW is a key component of the security of the Bitcoin network, as it ensures that no one person or group can control the network. Proof of stake, (POS), is a consensus mechanism used to confirm and record Bitcoin transactions. Unlike proof of work, (POW), POS does not require an expensive mining process. Instead, network participants stake their coins to verify transactions. This means that to confirm a transaction, you must own a certain number of coins, or stake them. By staking their coins, network participants are demonstrating that they are invested in the success of the Bitcoin network, as those who validate transactions will receive rewards for doing so. Proof of stake is an important part of maintaining the security and decentralization of the Bitcoin network. Bitcoin is a digital currency that offers a variety of features and benefits. It allows for quick, low-cost transfers of value with no need for a third party. It also offers users an unparalleled level of security and privacy, as all transactions are securely encrypted, and funds can only be accessed by the owners of the wallets. Bitcoin can also be used as an investment vehicle, as its value has seen substantial appreciation over the years. In addition to its convenience and security, Bitcoin is also highly accessible, as it can be sent and received from any part of the world without the need for regional bank accounts or money transfers. Part 3. The future. As the world moves increasingly toward a digital economy, Bitcoin has the potential to play a key role in the transactions of the future. With its low-cost and secure transaction capabilities, Bitcoin could potentially be used to facilitate global payments more efficiently than current payment systems. Additionally, with its decentralized nature, Bitcoin could help to further democratize the global financial system, allowing for faster and more secure transfers of value across borders and financial systems. Additionally, Bitcoin could also become a valuable asset class for investors, offering a high degree of liquidity and potential for growth. Finally, its decentralized nature could also provide opportunities for building innovative applications and services not currently available in traditional banking systems. Talk about the potential risks. In summary, Bitcoin is a digital currency that offers users a unique combination of convenience, security, accessibility, and growth potential. Its decentralized nature also offers the potential for building innovative applications and services not currently available in traditional banking systems. As the world moves increasingly toward a digital economy, Bitcoin has the potential to play an important role in the transactions of the future. Conclusion. In this video, we discussed the features and benefits of Bitcoin and its potential for future use. We discussed how Bitcoin is a digital currency that offers users convenience, security, accessibility, and growth potential. We also discussed how its decentralized nature could lead to the development of innovative applications and services not currently available in traditional banking systems. Finally, we explored the potential opportunities and use cases for Bitcoin in the future. We hope that this video has provided an overview of Bitcoin and its potential in the digital economy. We encourage viewers to research further and come to their conclusion about the benefits and risks of using Bitcoin. Remember, cryptocurrencies can be volatile, so be sure to invest with caution. Thank you for watching this video on Bitcoin. We hope that it has been informative and has helped you to gain a better understanding of this technology and its potential to revolutionize the digital economy. We hope you have enjoyed this video and would love to have you back for more. Until next time. If you like the video, you can click the subscribe button, give one like and click the ring bell to inform you when we have new content. Bye, have a nice day.